Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. What is the pandemic situation outside? Do you know, children? Why our schools are closed? Do you know? Yes, due to COVID-19. They are facing the problem due to COVID-19. Are you staying at home or playing outside, children? I think you are staying at home. Very good, children. Are you following the COVID instructions, children? I think you are following the COVID instructions. You are doing well. What are the instructions? Do you know? Yes, you know very well. I know that. Even though once we revise the instructions, what we have to do? Wash your hands regularly. Wear mask while going outside. If soap is not available, use sanitizer. Keep your surroundings clean. Maintain social distancing wherever you go out. Bath regularly twice a day. Bath twice a day. Maintain social distancing. Stay at home. Stay healthy. Take healthy food like eggs, milk, the food which gives us vitamin C and E. Stay at home, children. Stay healthy and stay fit. We need to follow all these instructions. Then only we will be safe. Actually, our schools have not started online classes. Already some schools are started already online classes. But our online classes are becoming late. Actually, we thought vaccine will be ready in the month of August, but it's becoming late, so we have started now. Do you know who am I, children? Yes, few of the children know, but most of the children don't know who am I. I am Jyotsna. I will be teaching you math subject. Let us go to the textbooks. We need to purchase the textbooks within a short period. Then that will be easy to understand. That will be easy to you, children. What about the notebooks? You need one notebook, that is checkered. One book is enough. Whatever I am saying, you can copy in that book and homework too in that book itself. You both writing homework and classwork, both you write in one book, children. Children, everybody, have you opened books in these holidays? I think few of the children have opened. Did you remember the numbers? Number names? We start our class with numbers, children. Number 9. Did you remember the number 9? Once we revise that. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, let them straight. 7, 8, let them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. I repeat again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. At 9, 10, a big fat hen. Children, you repeat along with me now. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Children, are you following me? Very good. Now I show you fingers. Count and tell me how many fingers. Yes, I can switch on the camera and I can recognize you. Those who are saying or those who are not saying, I can recognize you, children. You follow me? When I show the fingers, you try to answer me. Okay? How many children? 1. How many in my hand, children? Yes, 2. How many children in my hand? Yes, 3. How many children in my hand? Yes, 4. How many children in my hand? Yes, 5. How many in my both hands? Yes, 6. How many children in my both hands? Yes, 7. How many? 8. How many now? Yes, 9. How many children both in my hands? Yes, 10. Very good, children. Now we revise the number names. Did you remember number names, children? Once we write on the board, I will write on the board. Just you follow now. First. Else children, once we revise number names. ONE1, 1. TWO, 2. THREE, 3. FOUR, 4. FIDE, 5. SIX, 6. SEVEN, 7. EIGHT, 8. NINE, 9. TEN, 10. ELEVEN, 11. TWELVE, 12. THIRTEN, 13. FOURTEEN, 14. FIFTEEN, 15. SIXTEEN, 16. SEVEN, TEN, 17. EIGHT, EEN, 18. NINE, TEEN, 19. TWENTY, 20. Once children, you also follow me, you also read along with me. ONE1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10, ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12, THIRTEN 13. Once I repeat again, THIRTEN 13, FOURTEEN 14, FIFTEEN 15, SIXTEEN 16, SEVEN TEEN 17, EIGHT EEN 18, NINE TEEN 19, TWENTY 20. Do practicing at home, children. Tomorrow I will switch on the camera and ask you. Children, do practicing at home. Now, once we revise the numbers, number chart, children. Here some numbers are missing. Some numbers are missed. You need to fill in the blanks by counting forward. Numbers counting from 1 to 100. Counting numbers forward. 1, 2, 2 after, children. Yes, 3. Next, 4, 5, 6. 6 after, children. What is the number? 7, 8, 9. Next, 10 is there already. Here, 11, 12, 13 is there. 13 after, 14, 15. Next, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 is there, 26. Next, 27, 28 is there, 28 after, yes, 29, 30, 31 is there. Next, yes, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 is there. Next, 40, 41, 42, 43 is there. Next, yes, 44, 45, 46, 46 after, 47 is there. Next, 48, 49. Next, 50 is there. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56 is there, children. 57, 58, 59 is there. Next, 60, 60 after, 70, 61, 60 after, 61, 61, 62 is there. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Next, 70. 70 after, children. 71, 72, 73, 74 is there. Next, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79 after, yes, 80, 80, next, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 is there, children. 86, 87, 88 is there, children. Next, 89, 90. 90 after, 91, 92, 91, 92 is there. Next, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Once I repeat, you also following me, children. You follow me. You also read along with me. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. I know children you are familiar with your. Yes. Shall we count reversely, children? Once we try backward direction, we try the backward direction once. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 90, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good children. Do practice in reversely also, backward counting also. Do practice in children. Yes. Tomorrow we recall them again. You do practicing number names 1 to 20 and reverse counting from 100 to 1. And I give you homework. I send you one image, homework image 1 to 10, number names and 2 table. Read 2 table. Learn table. Once I read here. Do you have tables book? If you don't have tables book, tomorrow you should be get ready with tables book also, children. You need to open your tables book while reading. Now I read 2 table once. Tomorrow you learn 2 table. What is your homework? Learn 2 table and 1 to 10 number names. Write number names 1 to 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Once I write. Wait. Here I write. Okay. Now here. Once I read, children, do practicing table also at home. Learn two table. Tomorrow I will switch on the camera and ask you. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Once I repeat again. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Children, see you tomorrow. Do practicing at home. Bye.